Hi traders, if you've recently subscribed to my channel, then thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and keep up to date with my analysis. Now the Aussie yen reversed just short of 97.66 monthly resistance and then traded down all week. Testing 96.06 day support at the start of the week, watch 96.06 day support down to 95.85 weekly support. Does this area hold in the short term for a move back up to retest weekly resistance at 96.91? Can that hold to form a lower top for then a move down? Of course this area could break at the start of the week, but expect support to hold in the short term for a rally back up to retest weekly resistance at 96.91. Now the Aussie dollar traded down all week last week. Failed at weekly resistance up here. Is it trading down to weekly support in this range? So at the start of the week I would watch for some form of rally. Can we rally back up to daily resistance at 63.93, approximately the 6400 level? Do we hold for a move down to test a weekly support at 62.85? We could move down and through that level, but that level could hold for then a move back up. So at the start of the week, can we rally back up to 63.93 hold, or then a move down to test weekly support? Now the euro yen remains in a very strong uptrend, heading towards monthly resistance at 162.42. Wouldn't want to be buying at the top of the move though, so this week can we have a pullback to daily support 160.84? Does that hold intraday for then a further move up, targeting 162.42 monthly resistance? Now the euro dollar had a reversal week last week, a very small reversal week, just managing to hold on to 106.74 day support. That's a level to watch at the start of the week. Does that level hold or break? So it could hold for a move back up to retest daily resistance 107.36. I'm inclined to think though that this level may break. Watch it to become resistance intraday for then a move down to challenge monthly support 106.35, and can we break down and through that level this week? Now the pound yen last week did make a gain, but rather range bound of these high levels. We may well just stay in the range, so at the start of the week I would watch 184.54. Does that remain as support? Does it once more retest 185.77? We could break higher, the yen is remaining weak. We could break higher towards the high of the year at 186.75, or simply remain range bound. So we could just keep trading between support and resistance through the course of the week. Now the pound dollar last week failed just short of monthly resistance 124.48 and then sold off all week. Couldn't hold itself above 123.08. It retested that area on Thursday and then traded down. So with a reversal week last week, I'm expecting a further move down this week, but can we rally back to 122.88 daily resistance? May just get up to that weekly resistance at 123.08 once more. Does this area offer resistance this week for a move down towards weekly support at 120.69? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.